Magandang umaga po mga kapatid. It's a new day. Welcome back to the Pinoy Dad channel. Nandito po ako, tatapos ko lang sa Honda Service Center. Pinapalitan ko po yung timing belt ko at saka yung spark plugs. It's long overdue since dapat at 100,000 pinalitan ko na, but it's been like 6 months now. So ito po ang odometer ko, 114,338. So kung hindi ko po palitan yung timing belt tapos nasira siya, malamang my engine will break down, so we have to replace it. So mga kapatid, it's time to go home. I'll have to take over YouTube Kids online learning because Mama has to work tonight and I'll have to cook. I got some chores to do, which I don't even know yet. So let's see how it goes. Mga kapatid, nandito na po ako sa bahay. So bago umuwi, dumaan po muna ako sa Randall's grocery store. It's been a while, probably 8 to 10 years before ako pumunta. Somebody told me that they have a sale of pork, like 97 cents. Usually if I buy pork in HEB or Walmart, it costs like $2.97 to $3.50 per pound. So I went there to check it out and I got some more new stuff. I got a steak, I got like some Dungeness crab and some other stuff. I'm gonna show you the receipt on how much I saved. Hindi ko mabuksan. So, okay mga kapatid. Ito po yung binili ko, Dungeness crab. Supposedly it's $32. And I only got it for 23, which is good price. It's only $2.50. And isa po sa kinuha ko dun is salmon. This is YouTube Kids' favorite fish, salmon. I saved like $3 for it. The price is $6.99. Usually in HEB, this is price at $9. Okay. Ito po yung binili kong steak. Tingnan po natin. This is New York strip steak. Supposedly this is like $34 and I got it for like $17. Pretty good price. And another one, let's see. Bigat nitong pork. Dalawang 7-pounder ang kinuha ko po na pork, which is good for adobo, barbecue, and other good stuff that we cook with pork. So ito po, 7 pounds siya. I got it for 97 cents. And I saved half, like it's supposed to be like $15 and I got it for like $7 plus. Pretty good. Mga kapatid, ito po ang savings ko sa Randall's. Ito po yung resibo niya, yung naka-highlight po yung save ko. So for the New York strip, $3. For the pork, I saved like $7 each, so it's like $15. For the Dungeness crab, I saved like $9. And for the salmon, it's like $3 something. So in total, I saved around, let's see, there you go, $32, which is pretty awesome. So today mga kapatid is a fruitful day. So napagawa po natin tong sasakyan, na-replace natin yung timing belt and spark plugs, and nakabili po tayo ng groceries na kailangan natin Especially meat, alam naman natin mga Pilipino na mahilig tayo sa rice. So, dapat may ulam, di ba? And one more thing, tapos lang po namin mag-dinner. And it's time to do one of my chores. So, medyo lumalago na po yung tree namin sa unahan. So, kailangan i-trim ko. Kasi pag pinatrim ko po sa labas, pumapatak po siya ng $150 to $200. And bumili po ako ng tool para ako na po yung gumawa. And it just cost me like $50 and some manual labor. So, pakita po ko sa inyo yung puno and yung mga gagamitin natin para gawin ito. So, ito po yung puno namin. Medyo malago na. And itong part na to siguro yung ititrim ko kasi pupunta na siya sa bubong. I need to cut it down para masama ko bukas sa basura. Sa laguna po ng puno namin, dalawa po siya. Hindi na po tumutubo yung aming grass kasi hindi po naaarawan. So I'm gonna fix that next year. Probably grow the grass and trim those trees properly. And plano ko sana tanggalin itong isang puno pero hindi ko sure. We'll see later. Ito mga kapatid ang gagamitin natin. So I got this chainsaw para sa puno. Nakuha ko po siya for $50 on sale 2 years ago. And I have to put some bar and chain oil para hindi po masira yung makina. So safety first. We got our gloves before doing this. And we got our goggles. So let's do this. At syempre, wag po natin kalimutan magsapatos. Kasi baka mapatakan tayo ng, alam mo na, maputo lang ating paa. Hindi natin kailangan yun. So, let's start this chore and finish it up. Here goes nothing. Ito na po yung itsura na nabawasan. So konti na lang na trim. Ito po yung nabawas ko. Kasi hindi po ako pwede magbawas ng masyado madami kasi hindi tatanggapin ng basurahan. Iwanan lang nila. So there's like a certain cubic feet na tatanggapin ng basurahan. And itatali ko po siya kasi dapat nakatali siya. So I got this string to tie it all up. So ikakat ko po ito in smaller pieces para mas malinis pong tingnan pag lagay ko sa unahan ng bahay. Ito mga kapatid, nabandal ko na ang ating pinagtabasan ng puno. Kukunin ko na lang yung basurahan sa likod. See you on the next vlog. Kita nyo na po ang buwan. Inabot na naman tayo ng gabi. Magtatapon muna ako ng basura. And yung ating pinagtabasan ng puno. Oops. Ito po ang ating pinagtabasan ng puno. So ilalagay ko na sa unahan. Hopefully tanggapin nila bukas. Time to clean up. YouTube kid, did you say thank you to Mama for buying some Legos? Huh? You like it?
Yes,
So what Legos do you have?
a lot.
So tell me, what are you building?
Lego house.
Lego house, can you show me the picture? So is that it?
No. The previous one.
Okay.
This is my picture.
All right. Okay, let's see how you do it, okay?
Okay. Now we go flip the page. I need another two of those.